Hey, what's going on, guys? Back to you, another video. Today we're going to be changing the sun visor vanity mirror lights. You know, they're working fine, but basically I just want to update them to LED. It's real simple to install. First, you're going to need like a little flathead screwdriver or whatever you got, like a little pin or whatever, something small to get these out. All right. First, it's like a little space up in here. You just want to stick that up in the glass and pop it out. You can also go from the bottom too. Trying to stop this thing from moving so much while I'm doing it. All right, now you see how that popped out? All right, and then a bulb, be careful because it's kind of hot. You want to pop this out right here. Take that out. All right, guys, now you want to take the new bulb. Make sure the lights part is facing out. Don't put it in that way. Make sure it's facing out. And then you want to push stuff in there. If it don't work on that side, because I think the polarity, you just want to push it up in this way. See that? And then it'll light up. Bam. There you go. And then you just want to put the cover back on. And then you do the same thing to the other side, and then that's it. And that's how you change the bulb on the vanity mirror in your vehicle. And by the way, this is a 2004 Chevy Suburban. It should be like that on the other Suburbans too, like from 99 to 2006. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how you install it. Catch y'all on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next video. Y'all be safe out there, and I'm out. All right, guys, this is a before and after on the light. The difference, you can see it. See how that old yellow amber light, and then you got the new bright LED light. I believe it's a 6000K. See that? All right, guys, catch y'all on the next video. Later.